So I don't know about you, but I have some big goals for my business this year. I want to grow my revenue significantly. I'm looking to uplevel my clientele. I'm looking to improve my work-life balance, which has been a bit out of whack recently. The challenge that I find, and that most of the clients that I work with that I see, is as a business owner, you have so many ideas for things that would help you get to that next level. There's also a million issues and things on your to-do list that you need to address. So how do you zoom out, look at the big picture, and really figure out what are the top strategic priorities that I really want to focus on to get me to those growth goals that are going to make the biggest difference in my business? What I recommend and what I do with all my clients and my own businesses about once a year, if not more, is a SWOT analysis. This is a really old and simple business tool, but it's very powerful. It's called SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And it's really that simple, is looking at those four areas around your business. What are the strengths and weaknesses within your business? And then when you look in around your business in the environment you're operating in, what are the opportunities you're seeing and what are the threats that you want to think about? So when you fill those out, and I've got some questions in the article linked here that will ask you more details to go into each of those four areas. But when you fill that out, you will start to really see the big picture of your business and the environment around you. And that's where you want to start to put together your strategic priorities. Like, how can you use your strengths to really capitalize on the opportunities you're seeing? What are the major weaknesses or threats that you want to shore up before they become a bigger problem? That's how you're going to put together your top 2 or 3 strategic priorities for the year. And these are the things that are really going to move the needle in terms of taking your business to the next level. If you don't step back and think strategically, it's just so easy to be caught up in the weeds day to day, missing the big picture and not doing those big strategic things. And this is a great way to just pull your head up, look holistically at what's going on. So take a stab at it. It can be done in 20 or 30 minutes, and you'll get really good insight based on that. I'm curious to hear how it goes. Feel free to leave me a comment, and good luck with it.